Hey guys, welcome to episode 4 of my quarantine wash day series. I hope you guys have been enjoying the series so far because I'm not done yet. I have a lot more in store. So, last week was a wash and go using 2 different gels and I got a bit of flaking. So this time we won't be using any gel. We'll be using all creams and oils. So in today's video, I will be doing a braid out, my signature hairstyle, and I'll be using African Pride's Moisture Miracle line. I'll literally be using the entire line in this video. So I've got all my products right here. And there's 2 more that I can't hold, but I'll be just showing you guys everything that I have. So the first product that I'll be using from the line is the Moisture Miracle Aloe and Coconut Water Detangle and Condition Pre-shampoo. It helps minimize breakage for natural coils and curls. Now, I have never pre-pooed before, which is very hard to believe considering I make hair videos, but it's true. I've never pre-pooed before, so we're gonna get into it. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna see, do I think it's necessary to pre-poo? Do I see a difference after I pre-poo? You know what I'm saying? We'll see how that goes. So this says, before cleansing, apply a generous amount to dry hair and distribute evenly. Use fingers or comb to detangle, rinse thoroughly. For especially dry or detangled hair, leave on for 15 to 30 minutes before rinsing. Alright, so it's kind of like deep conditioning, but you're deep shampooing, if that makes sense. Like a pre-poo, deep condition. Yes, no, maybe, okay, whatever. Anyways, so my hair is in a bun. It's all flaky from the gels that I use, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with this pre-shampoo. So this pre-shampoo has really good slip. It's just sliding right onto my hair. It distributes really easy. And it says you're supposed to detangle. So I'm going to finger detangle because I'm also going to detangle when I apply my conditioner. So once I apply my conditioner, I'll be detangling again, but I'll be detangling with a comb instead of finger detangling. And the reason I'm finger detangling is because my hair is in a drier state and I don't want to rip through it with the comb. So I'm finger detangling and I'll just use a comb later. But I will say that this has incredible slip and it is already detangling my curls. You guys can see I can run my fingers right through. Well, just about. But yeah, this has amazing slip. My hair feels super soft already. So first time using a pre-poo, right? And let me just say that this pre-poo is freeing up my curls and detangling my curls from a dry crusted gel state, okay? And it's freeing up my curls and easily detangling, finger detangling. Alright, so I've got the pre-poo all over my strands and now I'm going to let it sit for 20 minutes. Then I will rinse and get into washing and detangling. So this is my shampoo and conditioner. This is the Honey and Coconut Oil Nourish and Shine shampoo and the Honey Chocolate and Coconut Oil Nourish and Restore conditioner. All right, so my hair is completely cleansed. So the pre-shampoo rinsed right out of my hair and took the gel right along with it. So then I got to my actual shampoo, and this just cleaned up whatever was left that the pre-shampoo didn't get. This had a really gentle clean. It smells really nice, and also it didn't strip my hair. So then I used the conditioner, and I will say that the pre-shampoo had a better slip and detangle than the conditioner, and this is the honey chocolate and coconut oil. So I was really excited to use this because, you know, honey chocolate and coconut oil. But yeah, I do think that the pre-shampoo did a better job of detangling and hydrating than the conditioner. But I will say that the conditioner had a really grainy feel. Like, it felt kind of grainy. I was able to detangle. I did detangle pretty easy, but I definitely detangled a lot easier with the pre-shampoo. Now we are going to get into styling and doing my braid out. And I'll be using the coconut milk and honey leave-in conditioner, and this is the spray-on leave-in. Then I'll be using the coconut oil and baobab oil hydrate and strengthen leave-in cream. Next, I'll use the shea butter and flaxseed oil moisturize and define curling cream. And then last, I'll be using the 5 essential oils with vitamin E, and it has castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. So this is some stuff. This is 5 oils in one, you guys. 5 oils in one. Let's get into it. All right, so of course I'll be applying my leave-ins first. Then I'll be doing my curling cream and my oil. All right, 1 braid done, and it's gummy hydrated. Y'all can see how heavy it is too by the way it dropped. Boop, yup. Jam-packed with moisture. So this is 1 braid. And I'm just going to repeat these same steps. I am locking in the moisture with my 5 essential oils at the end. All right, so I'm finished braiding, and of course I'll be back when it's dry. All right, so my braids are dry, and I'm going to be using the 5 essential oils to unravel my braids. All right, so all my braids are out, and of course the last step is to fluff and add volume. So I will be doing my same technique that I love and always do, which is to add a little bit of curling cream on my ends and just have a more blended and fuller look. So this was a curling cream that I used to braid up my hair, and I'll be using this same exact curling cream to add a little bit of curl on my ends. Alright guys, so you can see how much fuller this looks, and then once the curling cream dries, of course it'll all blend together. Alright, so my hair is almost completely dry. All I'm gonna do is pick it out. Add a little bit more body. Alright, so that is it for this wash day. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Definitely go out and try these African Pride products. You can find them in Walgreens. I love them. Super, super hydrating. I think Moisture Miracle is the perfect name for this line. So yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in once again, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.